Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you kya zabardast face wash and a face pack with the same ingredients. It does wonders on the skin. I'm not even joking. Just with 2 ingredients, guys, you can lighten your skin, brighten your skin, even tone your skin, get rid of tan, pigmentation, discoloration, acne marks. It is so freaking good and I can't even stop raving about it. It is excellent, especially for very oily skin. It is okayish for dry skin. As of now, I got some pimples out here. So it is really good because my skin is kind of oily. I am ovulating right now, so maybe that's the reason. Otherwise, my skin is very dry. If your skin is inflamed, if your skin has red bumps, red rashes, this face wash and face pack calms it down super fast. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit on that ghanta so that you get notified as soon as I publish a video. I'm saying this after so long. All you need is kaolin clay, which is excellent, really good. It brightens the skin so good, guys, and you can just use this as your face wash. You don't need anything else. Seriously, it's so good. I'm going to take about 2 teaspoons, maybe. There's no proper measurements for this. I just take andaz se. So I'm taking about 4 teaspoons. I'll show it to you. So I've taken this much quantity, and now we need the magical ingredient, that is turmeric oil. This is steam distilled. It's too good, guys. It just does the needy. So I'm going to put 2 drops. That's all you need. I'm going to take a little bit of water, make it into a paste. In one application, actually, you will see a lot of difference, and that's why you will want to keep on using this, because nothing else might give you that desired result. It takes some time to mix, so mix it nicely. You will need to add in water accordingly. Not too much water, then it will become too watery, and then you'll have to add more kaolin clay. So first I'm going to use this as a face wash. Mix it well. I'm here. So now I'm going to apply it on my face and give it a good scrub, because it's excellent even to exfoliate your skin, thus reducing your blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin. Let's go to the bathroom. Rub your face nicely for like 3 minutes, very gently. Now it's time to wash the face. Okay, you did so 1 minute. Just look at this, guys. I couldn't show it to you properly in the bathroom because my daughter was crying. It is awesome. Now we're going to use the same as a face pack. So we're going to put the same thing on the face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This is excellent, actually. Again, I want to say it's for oily skin, but dry skin also can use it. Like mine is dry skin, but I'm using this, and after this I will apply an oil, because this is too good, guys. I just love it. It cleanses the skin so good. Like all the dirt jo andar ghusa hua hai, takes it out. You can even apply this on your underarms, your neck. Not even kidding, guys. Just look at the glow, brightness. So this is one of the best remedy I have ever shared. It's too good. The face wash and the face pack, which works like a scrub, it is too good. So do try it and let me know. Just look at it.